You downloaded your copy of Foundation, and I know you're going to be really keen to upload it to a demo server, get going with it, but probably going to be more beneficial if you set up a development server on your computer so you can learn how the system works, make all the edits, make all the mistakes, and that before you actually upload to your live server. And this is what this guide is. It's a guide on how to set up a development server, how to install Mediawiki and Foundation. So, okay, let's first, you'll need to visit Apache Friends. As you can see, there's a link there to their page. Download whichever copy is applicable to you. Run the installer, and then when you're ready, you'll need to navigate to the files. So Xammp is located in Windows C, and it's in Xammp, and we need to first of all go to htdocs, and we need to create a new folder, and we're going to call that, let's call it dev. We now need to go back into Xammp and MySQL and data, and create another folder called dev. This is where your database is going to be contained. Let's go back to Xammp htdocs, and we're going to our dev. We now need to download a copy of Mediawiki, which I've already done. So we'll copy that, and we'll paste it into the dev folder and extract it. Once Mediawiki is extracted completely, go into the folder, select all, and just move it into dev. And we can delete this now, it's empty. Okay, so next we need to do is locate Xammp, and we need the Xammp control panel. We basically start Apache and we start MySQL. Wait until all the ports are loaded, and then we can close that. So now we go to our wiki, and we type localhost /dev. Perfect. And so when you have to set up the database, leave it as it is. It is actually localhost. You want your database name, which was dev. The prefix I normally put as Mediawiki _. It stays as root, and you leave the password blank. So we'll continue. Continue again. And the name of the wiki is server demo. Choose your username, add your password, and add your email, and then select on board already, just install the wiki. Continue. Okay, once that's done, you can click on continue, and you should automatically get a copy of local settings appear. So we want to save, and then we need to move local settings into the root folder, which is here, dev. Now we need to go to the skins folder and move foundation. And extract. Now we'll go back to the root. Edit local settings. And the foundation demo, the install page, which you can navigate to through here. If we scroll down, you've got your 3 lines that you need. So we'll copy those, paste them into the bottom of local settings, and save. So we go back to our wiki and enter our wiki. There we go. We're now at our page where foundation is installed.